Hey there, this is Atika Budari from Extra Coding YouTube channel. So friends, in today's video, I'm gonna give you a question and you have to solve it. And the solution will be provided in my next video. So friends, what you have to do is, from a list, suppose L, if I have some numbers here, say 34, 0, and minus 12, minus 78. Okay, so this is our list. So friends, as you can see that here are some negative values and some positive values, and there are some zeros also. So what you have to do is you have to sort this list. You have to sort negative values, positive values and zeros. Now the output will be in this format. It should be like this: negative, okay, and should be something like this, and then it should be a list here, okay, and then there should be all the negative values, that is minus 12, minus 78, minus 1 and minus 100. These are some negative values in our list, as you can see, okay, and then let's comment this out, and then just like this there will be positive values, positive, and like this, and here it should be list only 34, and there should be 43, 6 and 86 and 56, 86 and 56, like this. See, here are our positive values, okay, and for 0 you have to say 0 R, and you have to print number of zeros in the list. So as you can see, there are 3 zeros, so number of zeros is 3. You do not have to pass any list in this, you just have to print the list here, okay. So here you have to pass lists, and here you have to pass how many zeros are there. I hope it's clear. And yeah, format should be like this only, okay. So I think it's not that difficult. Hope you can do it. See you soon in the next video guys with the solution of this problem.